everybody. So I'm making this video for a stay-home mom and dad. It can be in my country, United States, or can be any parts of the world. Now, because of the internet, because of the software, and because of the CBIS, I call it CBIS, computer-based information system, or whatever you say, it is possible to work from home. And so we have a factory in Bangladesh and some other countries. So many of you are actually can buy the product from us and sell it to Amazon. So many of the stay-home moms and dads, that can be a great opportunity. You are right now, you can buy the product from some factory in China, or maybe some parts of the world. And there are many wholesalers inside the USA. You can buy it from them. But everything you have to go through with the middleman. Okay. But since we're the factory owner and we have our warehouse, and we're working with some other factories too, and we're constantly sourcing for new product and new styles, new fast fashions. So you can actually buy things from us. So all you need to do first, you need to do some research about our company, go on the website and see that whether you can sell it to Amazon or many other platform while you are at home. You are taking care of your family, you have some issues, it won't stop you to do business with us. So you need some inventory, and we will be your supplier, we'll be your agent. Okay. So if you have any style, just send us, hey, I want this kind of style, can you make it for me? Yes, we can make it for you. If it is already pre-made, then you don't need to make it. We can just tell it, hey, we have this inventory at our hand with this kind of style, it's gonna cost so and so, and then you can tell, okay, send me 2 samples. So give us the tracking number, you're gonna be buying some sample from us, give us the tracking number, we'll ship it to your door, and see that whether you like it or not. If you like it, okay, you can sell it, and then you can buy the product from us. Now, I always ask that if you want to be an entrepreneur, if you want to be a businessman, first thing you need to learn is how to sell. You have to sell it. You have to sell it. Steve Jobs and all the big people, all the successful people, they know how to sell. You have to learn selling things. And then we have the best quality product, and we have the best quality inventory without going to China, without going to any other countries. And since I'm an American businessman and I'm at your door, I'm on your own call. So if you have any objections, any suggestions, or any obligations, anything, just contact with us. And we want you to grow your business. We want you to do some business while you are at home. Okay, so it's a great opportunity. Stay home moms and dad, you just buy the product from us, go to our website and see that whether you like it or not. If you want some sample, give us a tracking number for DHL or FedEx, we will ship it to your door. See 1 or 2 sample, if you like it, buy it bulk, put it on the platform like Amazon and eBay and Shopify. There are many platforms. Put it over there and sell it. Okay, so stay home moms and dads, you are buying from the product, you are buying product from the warehouse owner, from the factory owner, no middleman. So this is a great opportunity for all stay home moms and dads. Looking forward to doing business with you. Well, thank you very much. Bye bye.